Hey folks, Eric here with pimpmygrill.com, and we have a brand new modification for your pellet grills. Meet the Grease Box. The Grease Box is a grease management system that allows you to ditch the pail. Now, if there's one downside to pellet grilling, it's gotta be your traditional grease bucket. I mean, they're dirty, they're messy, the rain fills them up, the dogs get into them, the kids get into them. They fall off when you cover your grill, and they're an absolute eyesore. These things have been around since the existence of the pellet grill, and nobody has seemed to be able to improve upon them until now. Compatible with nearly 95% of pellet grills, the Grease Box attaches seamlessly using pressure bolts, so you don't have to do any cutting or drilling to your grill. Simply attach the mounting plate to your grease spout, then bolt on the top cover, making sure to include the flip lock, and finally slide the drawer into place. The Grease Box can accept the drawer from both the front and the back. So if you prefer access to be behind your grill, or if your grill has the grease spout located on the opposite side, your drawer will always be exactly where you want it. So we even have some silicone liners that are formed to fit your grease drawer. The grease will just slide right out of them. They're washable. This is just a really great upgrade to an already fantastic product. If you'd like to see a full list of compatible models, or if you're interested in purchasing this product, visit pimpmygrill.com or click the link below. We also have some fantastic no-drill slide-out rack systems and many other cool upgrades for your pellet grills. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.